Find a comfortable position. Allow this prayer to be a moment of surrender. In this prayer, we ask Archangel Raphael to heal in us whatever is preventing the creation of a healthy, loving, and abundant life. Surrender and allow the divine energies to work through you, knowing that you are never alone. You are always supported. Let's begin. I begin this prayer by calling upon Archangel Michael's protection. I also invite the protection of the angels and archangels of the highest realms of existence who are currently working with me. Protect my space, my aura, and my consciousness so that only divine energies can reach me. Now, I call upon Archangel Raphael to heal my mind, my emotions, and my physical and spiritual bodies, bringing them to the highest conditions of health and vibration. Allow this healing so I can express my best version in life. Allow me to heal any karmic or generational habits, experiences, and patterns that no longer serve me, honoring my experiences, the experiences of my family and ancestors, but letting go of the energies that have already run their course. I ask forgiveness for myself and others. I allow any challenging energies to be fully transmuted and converted into pure light and wisdom. I ask Archangel Raphael to heal in me all beliefs, wounds, thought patterns, emotions, and behaviors that are preventing the manifestation of a perfectly healthy body. Allow my body to be a perfect vehicle for the manifestation of my divine essence in this life. I allow myself to love, care for, and accept this sacred vehicle. I also ask Archangel Raphael to heal my eating and health habits. I ask that foods of the highest vibration and quality be part of my daily diet so that I can give my body all the nutrients it needs to function perfectly. Allow my body to move, create, and be active. Rest, love, and experience joy. Allow my body to be connected to Mother Earth and nature, keeping me grounded and aligned with my divine purposes. I now call upon Archangel Raphael to heal in me all beliefs, wounds, thought patterns, emotions, and behaviors that are preventing the manifestation of a happy, healthy, enjoyable, and blessed love life. Allow my love relationship to be for my highest and greatest good. I ask that the fruits of this relationship bless my life, the lives of people around me, and planet Earth. Allow me to love myself enough to envision only kind, loving, and nurturing relationships for myself. I ask Archangel Raphael to heal in me all beliefs, wounds, thought patterns, emotions, and behaviors that are preventing the manifestation of a beautiful, healthy, and comfortable home that meets all my needs. Allow my home life to be peaceful. Allow my home life to be happy and healthy. Allow my home to be a haven for the people, animals, and plants that are part of its environment. Allow my family and loved ones to thrive in this space. I also ask Archangel Raphael to heal in me all beliefs, wounds, thought patterns, emotions, and behaviors that are preventing the manifestation of a healthy, abundant, and harmonious financial life. Allow me to honor the energy of money, managing it well and allowing it to be a magnificent ally in building the life of my dreams, helping the people I love, and supporting the causes I believe in. I ask Archangel Raphael to protect my travels, whether to near or distant places. Allow me to always meet divinely appointed people wherever I go. Allow me to be safe and protected wherever I am. Guide me with ease and joy to my next destination in life. I now allow the healing and transformation of my being and my life. I now allow the manifestation of miracles. I read the signs that Archangel Raphael and my divine presence send me daily. I now authorize Archangel Raphael to perform healings in my life and in me so that the highest desires of my soul may be fulfilled in the coming days, weeks, months, and years. I act and trust in my actions based on these signs and divine inspiration. I take action and trust my intuition based on these signs and inspiration. I let go of control and trust that all of my heart's deepest desires will manifest in my life at the perfect time. It is done, it is done, it is done. I am healed, 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 I am healed. Thank you, Archangel Raphael.